Hello everyone! Have you ever heard of the peculiar pig farms on the high mountains of China? Farmers have transformed natural caves into ideal living environments for their pig herds. Join us as we explore this unique farming method and discover what makes it so special. Among the countries around the world, China is renowned for the strong development of its agriculture and livestock industries. With a population of nearly 1.5 billion, this country has sufficient food sources to supply its densely populated populace, while also creating opportunities for farmers here. They've demonstrated creativity in agricultural production, especially in applying pig farming models in many remote mountainous areas. One of the prominent models is cave pig farming, a testament to innovation and success in China's livestock industry. This pig farming method not only provides high quality and flavorful meat, but also helps significantly reduce breeding costs. This is a unique and creative method of raising pigs naturally and sustainably. Zhuang, located in Shandong Province, China, is renowned for its extensive network of caves, providing perfect conditions for this type of farming. I've learned that at this pig farm, farmers don't use any synthetic chemicals, antibiotics, or genetically modified compounds. In these caves, pigs can enjoy warmth in winter and coolness in summer without the need for external cooling or heating systems. This method reduces reliance on peripheral cooling or heating equipment. The intelligent layout of the cave farm is designed to provide ample space for pigs to move and graze freely. Furthermore, the diet of these pigs is supplemented with various organic foods, such as corn, red apples, grapes, providing a rich and balanced source of nutrition. The use of these natural ingredients not only enhances the delicious flavor of pork, but also ensures the safety for consumers' health. Please leave number 1 if you like these pigs. Free-range black pork is renowned for its delicious flavor and superior quality. Unlike conventional pigs, black pigs are raised free-range in natural environments, allowing them to move freely and enjoy organic food. As a result, black pork possesses unique advantages. Black pork has a natural sweetness, coupled with a slight richness, offering an unforgettable culinary experience. With high levels of protein, vitamins, and minerals, it provides ample energy for the body